Okay, boys and girls, here's the pieces of this table with sanding sealer on it, minus the top. I'm going to turn this camera 180 degrees and spray that yet. And actually I'm going to move it on the other side of this sawhorses so that I'm not backlit. Here we go. It is so hot today that this stuff is drying about like that. I'm going to let that set just a little bit. I'll flip it over and shoot the edges and the top part. Incidentally, I've cut a little piece of thin cardboard and stuck it on the panel face. Because as I said before, I don't want 2 coats of sanding sealer on there. I just need 1. So I covered that over so I won't get any sanding sealer on that. I'm going to shut the camera off for a couple minutes until I'm ready to flip that.